aren't big mud guys, but we are going to attempt going through a little bit of mud for the greater good. Hey, this far, right? What do you think? Give her a go?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Full send, baby. Full send.
This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders.
What's going on, you guys? We are out for opening day at Mclean Creek. Should be sweet. We've got the tires aired right down. We're going to attempt East Fisher, which typically is a really tough trail. Today, hopefully it's not. I just ran it in the quad a few days ago and it seemed doable on the quad. So we'll see what happens when you throw another few thousand pounds on there. But yeah, should be a fun day. If you guys are watching for the first time, please be sure to smack that subscribe button. We appreciate the support. And we're gonna hop out on the trail right away here. We've all already aired down, dropped the sway bars off. We're rolling with Jeff in his Jeep TJ with 35s. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. We made it 5 minutes down the trail. Broke something. Another complaint I have of this stupid cheap ass zone lift. Garbage. Garbage. Ah, no more. Broken shock. Always something. At least it broke here, not down the trail.
Go.
Back in business. Minus a shock. Okay, so we are on East Fisher and just sort of navigating our way through all these trees that are down because it's nicely plugged off most of the bypasses. So this area is an excellent example of how you can get stuck easily if you're not paying attention and giving it enough gas to go into a mud pit. Usually this is something I should be able to crawl right through. Best $2 you'll ever spend right here.
Oh, it works way better sideways.
Yeah, it does. Oh no! Smeared it. Man, we're just having fun playing with all these lines, trying to find the best one, but it's not going so well. Every time we go left or right, there's another mud pit. At this particular point in the trail is our favorite lookout spot. You can see for miles and the view is absolutely incredible from the top of this gorge. In general, East Fisher is more difficult during the year due to deep mud and some tight trees if you are trying to bypass the deep pits. However, being that it was early season, the bottoms were still frozen and we were able to easily navigate our way through the trail, making for a fun day.
Oh! Mirror still works. Driver, a bit, yeah. Oh. Driver, a bit, there, yeah. Attaboy, attaboy.
Second time for charm, baby.
Your bumper is pretty mangled, but
Is it? My
yeah.
rear or my front?
It's your front. Ah, you broke your tail light too.
Oh no. Crunched it. It's good? Perfect. Turn signal still works.
Wow.
Brake light's good? Perfect. All right, so we have just completed East Fisher and we are now headed to the West Connector to head back to the parking lot, air up, and head home. So, easy trail. Everything was frozen on the bottom, thank God. Little 33s made it through no problem. And yeah, we're still going good. Drop in the comments below and let us know what your favorite 33-inch tire is, because I'm on the Duratrax. They didn't do so well through the mud on the way there, through there. Had to spin them a lot to get them to clean out. They packed like crazy. So if you guys are rocking 33s, let us know in the comments below and let us know what our next set of tires should be. And yeah, we'll go from there. Great day out. We ran East Fisher to the West Connector, made it back safe, no problems. It's still super nice and frozen out here, so we had great conditions all day. If you guys are still with us, be sure to smack that subscribe button. We appreciate the support, and we will see you guys on the next adventure. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Country Slicker out.